Muscles are essential tissues, enabling movement and maintaining posture. Comprised of muscle fibers, connective tissue, myofibrils, and myofilaments, they work together to facilitate contraction. Sarcomers serve as the basic units, while nerves transmit signals for movement. Blood vessels ensure muscles receive oxygen and nutrients. Different muscle types, like skeletal and cardiac, each play unique roles, highlighting the importance of nourishment and exercise for muscle health. Muscles are complex tissues that enable movement, maintain posture, and perform various other essential functions. To understand how muscles work, it's helpful to break down their components. Basic components: muscle fibers, muscle cells. These are the fundamental units of muscle tissue. They contain specialized proteins that allow them to contract. Connective tissue. This tissue surrounds and supports muscle fibers, providing structure and organization. It includes Epimysium, the outermost layer that surrounds the entire muscle. Perimysium surrounds bundles of muscle fibers called fascicles. Endomysium surrounds individual muscle fibers. Myofibrils. These are thread-like structures within muscle fibers that contain the contractile proteins. Myofilaments. These are the protein filaments that make up myofibrils. The main myofilaments involved in muscle contraction are actin, thin filaments; myosin, thick filaments. Key components for contraction: sarcomeres. These are the basic contractile units of muscle. They are made up of organized actin and myosin filaments. Nerves. Nerves transmit signals from the brain and spinal cord to muscles, initiating contraction. Blood vessels. Blood vessels supply muscles with oxygen and nutrients and remove waste products. In simpler terms, a whole muscle is made up of bundles of muscle fibers. Those fibers contain very small strands called myofibrils. Those myofibrils are made up of even smaller strands called myofilaments. Those myofilaments, actin and myosin, are what slide past each other to cause muscle contraction. Important notes: different types of muscles, skeletal, smooth, and cardiac, have slightly different structures and functions. Muscle health is influenced by factors such as nutrition, exercise, and overall health. I hope this overview is helpful.